Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to do the charge. Looks like this, right? And one of the, I guess one of the tricks that you use so often, it's crazy, right? You can do it basically like in every finger slot. However, this is how we actually do the charge. So you hold it like this, basically. You place it like right here, as you can see, right? And then here, right? So between thumb and into this like a thing, right? That's kind of like, and then you place it over there, right? That was a horrible explanation, but you see my point, I guess. Anyways, then what you're gonna have to do when it's in this position, you're gonna have to like extend your fingers, like all of them, like this, basically. So it's gonna do like this. It's not gonna go like this right away, because you don't have the muscle memory if you can't already do it. So it's gonna probably look something like this, right? Like it's gonna like do only like this, right? Which is perfectly normal. However, then what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to kind of like bend over your fingers like this, right? So it does like a spinning motion in a way. You're gonna have to like bend all of your fingers once it's in there, but make it like, try to make it like circular in a way, if that makes sense, right? And then it should be and then put it back in the original position, right? So it's gonna look like this, something like this, right? It's gonna look something like that. Anyways, for the multiple one, you when you do this, then you go like this, and then instead of putting it in your position where you've had it before, you're just gonna do another one, basically, right? So you do the same thing, except for putting it here, you put it like over like here, so you can just like keep going basically with the charge, and do the multiple one. And also you can try it in different like slots, I guess. Some might work better for you, some not. So yeah, you can try different pens as well, pencils. So yeah.